What's up, guys? So, I know I've been gone. It's okay, though. It's okay. But I'm back with another vlog today. I hope everybody's been doing well. I hope everybody New Year is going off with a hitch because mine is. So, I just thank God every day for waking me up this morning and let me be able to go to my job, letting me provide food for my sons. So, I'm having a really blessed day. So, just coming on here to show y'all some love. I just want to say thank you to all of my new subscribers. Y'all, see, I just had to stay consistent and people will watch. So I just want to say thank y'all to everybody who supports me and who supports my channel. So I'm at work and we're at a new center, and I had to set up my little office space. So like I got stuff over here, I got stuff back there, stuff in my trunk. So I'm gonna eventually get out so I can go set up the office at this center. So I work out of 3 centers, so this is one of our new partners. So I have to go in and set up my little area. So the days I do come to this one, I have everything I need. I ain't gotta be lugging that big rolly bag. That's just too heavy. So yeah, just to give y'all a little update. We talked about my work. Y'all, I've been struggling trying to get back in the gym. That's one of my struggles right now. So I started eating back right this week. Yesterday I had a cheat meal because we had training at work that ran late. So they provided food for us, so I ate that. What else been going on? We're really booked with my event company. So I have a party this weekend, and then I have a party next weekend, and I'm making like those little tents for the little girl sleepover. So I'm gonna try to get videos of that. Definitely gonna get video of the party this weekend. So I'll vlog that. What else has been going on? I got a baby shower in February, another baby shower in March. So I'm really grateful that my event company is booming, starting to boom in 2020, because 2019 it was kind of hit or miss. It was here or there. So you know, you kind of have those months and moments that people do events and stuff. So really glad about that. And what else been going on with Jessica? Nothing, y'all. Still got my braids up. I got this band on today. These are actually some leggings that I cut because I didn't feel like wearing them down. I have been wearing them down since I had them, and because I have none back here because my hair was literally this short, so I wanted to pull them up today. So still rocking my braids. I did redo the front. They are a lot smaller than the first time I did them, so they can last a little while, at least till March. See, they can last at least till March until we go to Vegas. And then I'll probably do a crochet there so I can have some curly hair. It'd be cute. But yeah, still rocking my braids. So I wish I didn't have to wear this band. I need an undercut, a fine undercut, and then I can wear it up in a pump and a bun and all that stuff and have my little cute design back there. But I'm trying to grow my hair out. The struggles of growing my hair. But all right, guys. But I hope everybody's having a good day, and I'm gonna insert some clips from stuff that we've been doing the past 2 weeks. So I hope you guys enjoy this vlog. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for supporting. Peace. See y'all in the next one. Bye.
A cow?
Sticky.
It's a stinky cat animal. He's a skunk. Skunk. Yes, good
Yeah.
job.
Mommy, the skunk.
Mommy,
It's a skunk.
It's
Stinks.
You're
Stinks.
so good.
Stinky skunk.
Good.
What's this animal?
A monkey.
A monkey. Good job. Alright, let's do it like that. You want to put it down there or up here?
Up here.
Good job, Cameron.
Elephant, cow, grass, cat, skunk, and rabbit.
And a mouse. See his long tail? That's how we know he's a mouse. He's got a really long tail.
Wow, is it and babies?
We can call him, it could be, I think it's a mouse. I
Yeah.
don't think it's a rat. What's this one?
Rabbit.
It's squirrel.
Whoa.
Yeah, that's a hard one to say. Squirrel.
Yeah, go right there, right there.
Put him right there then.
Can we go ride the train?
Yeah, right there.
Ride the train at the mall. You gonna do your song?
Yeah.
Say choo choo.
Choo choo.
Choo choo. Really? Go, Cam.